in the writing process will be to write your body paragraphs. Each body paragraph will begin with an idea or topic sentence so that your reader knows what to expect, evidence and details. In this essay, we're looking for direct quotes from the article, and then elaboration on how your evidence proves or demonstrates your claim. Let's break this down. First, your idea or your topic sentence. This should be one sentence that introduces the paragraph. Topic sentences should begin with a transition word or phrase such as first, next, or finally. Each of your topic sentences and each of your body paragraphs should match your thesis statement. Same order, same ideas. If you need some help getting started with some transition words and phrases, you can scroll down to lines 60 through 62 in the Otzi Informational Essay Pre-Writing and Drafting Assignment. If you click on this link, it will take you to a website that has many examples of transition words and phrases that you're welcome to pick from. Next, you're going to focus on your evidence and details. Again, in this essay, we are looking for direct quotes from the article that we've been reading. Please make sure in the first body paragraph that you have stated the title of the article and the author's full name. This article is titled Who Killed the Iceman? Clues Emerge in a Very Cold Case, and the author is Rod Norland. Again, if you scroll down to lines 63 through 69, you can find a lot of different phrases that you can use to introduce your text evidence. Finally, and this is the most important part, you'll move into the explanation or elaboration portion of the paragraph. This is a way for you to connect how your evidence proves or demonstrates your claim. We're looking for 2 to 3 sentences of thoughtful analysis. Your analysis should not be just a repeat of your claim or the evidence in your own words. You want to explain why and how they're connected. Imagine that Olaf is sitting next to you and keeps asking you these questions. Moving into lines 60 through 78, specifically 71 through 78, you can find more sentence starters to explain textual evidence. As always, if you're stuck, please ask for help. That's what we're here for.